So the Commodore 1571 floppy drive stopped reading discs. The head would not move on it. So we took it apart. And we, as in me and my mom. And here we go, hold on. Sorry for a lot of buffer, maybe. Depends on your internet. I'm working on recording in 4K. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Refresh rate. Okay, so we're gonna go put a floppy in. Oh yeah, it's not gonna work. And so we did our own little do-it-yourself fix.
So far, so good.
So far. There we go. See, we can load it up here. And so you see it's working here. It loads all the files and stuff. Now, here's our fix. Alright, take it off. We put coins on top of it. Epilepsy warning! Just say it.
It was one foreign coin. I just don't know from where.
Assume its nationality.
Hey, I kind of have to because it doesn't go in our Coke machines.
Okay, that can stop here in a minute. Epilepsy warning. I'm going to have to put that in the description, dang it. That's kind of a pain.
Do you want me to hold this so you can maybe run?
But if you guys... No, it's already going. But if you guys want to know how to fix this for yourselves, write down in the comments and I will make a video about how we fix this. And if you want to see Commodore 64 videos, also let me know. Oh, jeez, that's getting annoying. Alright. Let me put the lid back on. So that's our fix, and so far it works pretty well. Why won't the camera focus?
Touch it where you want it to focus.
I know, but in 4K it's being weird.
Maybe it had a seizure.
You know, just because it's already too late. Alright. See you in the next video.